So when you think about the fold smartphones today, one of the key complexities that they have is that you need a panel inside, and you also need a panel outside. This is, for all the fold smartphones today in the industry, they have to manage the complexity of two panels, and this requires more processing power, this requires more battery, and at the end you have a product which is really thick. So we've tried to investigate ways to solve this problem and have only one panel on a fold smartphone. So this one is very unique, and if you look at the hinge here, so I close it, and you can see there is almost zero gap when it's closed, a very small radius on the display. And what's really unique about this display and the hinge is that it's folding at 360 degrees. So I will go in this direction. The radius of the display is expanding. You see the mechanical part, and now I've got the display, the external display here. When I'm using the external display, and if I want to protect it, I put it back in my pocket, and now it's fully protected. So this is one solution to have one display on a fold smartphone. The second solution is that we present here. It's what we call the surround display. So the surround display is basically one panel which totally wraps around the phone here. And basically it's only using software implementation, optimization that we are going to power on this part or power on this part depending on the use case. But it's the same panel wrapped around the edge of the phone. Okay, so this is just two solutions to have one panel for a fold smartphone. So the other one that we have here is a very cool concept that we call the TCL fold and roll. So this one is another fold concept, and look at the how the screen is really beautiful. So this one is a fold smartphone, but the screen is expandable. So if I press a button here, it will expand because there is a little mechanical part with an engine inside, and when I press the button again, it will retract, and then I can fold. You've tested the second generation just before. This is the third generation, and this one is for AR. And you see here, we have two micro LED displays inside the glass. Depending on the orientation, you see the micro LED panels, and we have the ability to display augmented reality content in those glasses. You have the camera on the front, you have the touch on the side to interact with the glasses. So this is a unique piece of technology that we are preparing for later in the year to bring augmented reality into glasses.